Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to read page number 35 of your English book. This is letter B. First we are going to trace letter B with our finger. This is capital letter and this is small b. Capital B, small b. Okay? This is bus. When ma'am says bus starts with b sound. B is the sound of letter B. Bat. Bat. When ma'am says bat starts with B sound. Bat. So bat starts with B sound, or B is the sound of letter B. Ball. When ma'am says ball starts with which sound? Ball starts with B sound, or B is the sound of letter B. Ball. When ma'am says boy starts with which sound? Boy starts with B sound, and B is the sound of letter B. Banana. Banana starts with which sound? Banana starts with letter B, and B is the sound of letter B. Banana. Now children, this is your letter B, and here you can make bat, boy, anything. Now you are to color only those balloons जिनमें B से related pictures हैं, that which have the pictures related to letter B. Like you are to color this balloon, bus, bat, ball, boy, and banana. You are to color these balloons. Okay, beta? Now, we will revise letter C also. That is on page number 22. This is letter C. This is capital C, small c, mama C, baby C. Cat. When ma'am speaks cat starts with which sound? K. And K is the sound of which letter? C. Cat. Now, cup. Cup starts with which sound? K. And K is the sound of which letter? C. Cup. Cap. Cat starts with which sound? K. And K is the sound of which letter? C. Cap. Caddle. Caddle starts with which sound? K. And K is the sound of which letter? Letter C. So जो क्रॉसवर्ड है सी का कैडल, हमने यहाँ पर सी लिखा, यहाँ पर भी हमने सी लिखा. आप कर्सिव सी भी लिख सकते हो. यहाँ पर भी हमने सी लिखा, और जहाँ जहाँ हमें सी से रिलेटेड पिक्चर्स लगी हमने सी लिखा. सी का कप, सी का कैप, सी का कैट, एंड सी का कैडल. नाउ यहाँ पर हम एक कैंडल बना सकते हैं. ये देखो, दिस इज कैंडल. सी का कैंडल. कैंडल बना के आप उसमें कलर भी कर सकते हैं. नाउ दिस इज कर्सिव सी. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज कर्सिव सी. सो आप इसकी भी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. ऐसे करके बनाएंगे एक लूप एंड देन सी. और येस्टरडे जो मैंने वीडियो भेजी थी, आप उन्हीं सभी लेटर्स की प्रैक्टिस अपनी नोटबुक में करेंगे इन होमवर्क. फाइन चिल्ड्रन, सो दिस इज द वर्क फॉर टुडे. यू आर टू रीड, you are to do the activities, you are to write in your notebook, and you are to learn the poem Oranges and Lemon. So this is your homework and classwork. Thank you. Have a nice day. That's it for the day. Hi children, how are you? Today we are going to do cursive handwriting with the loop. The date is 28/04/21. This is classwork and the day is sunny. So let's start. Children, yesterday we have learned loop with the C. And today we are going to make with the CA. Make C and then we'll write A. Make C and then we'll write A. Make C and then we'll write A. Like this, you are going to make A. If child understands letter A, then what we can tell the child to make? If we know how to make A, then we can start with letter D. Make A first, then go up, touch and come down. This is letter D. This is letter D. Letter D. So after that you can tell the child how to make letter D after A. With the same loop we can make letter G because child knows A, then A banane ke baad he has to come down and after that up. After making A, G will be very easy for the kid. G. And then we can tell how to make Q. Q. First the child will make A, then Q very easily child can make. Because first the child will make A and then come down and child will make Q. 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 ठीक है. G. Q. This is Q. Okay. Now, after making Q, D, G, Q. These letters we can tell to the child to make like A, C, G, Q with the same loop. And then we can tell the child to make Q. So tomorrow in the class I am going to teach all these with the same loop. So child can make very easily all these letters. And he learn the cursive very fast. So this is for the day, and the next is I have told you capital A to T with the sound. A says air, then B says B, C says K, Tell the child to speak and write. D says the, E says F says fur, G says g, H says her, I says E, J says j, K says k, L says l, M says ma, N says na, O says o, P says p, Q says qu, R says r, S says s, and T says t. So this we have done in the class. And along with I have taken first letter of the picture. Like I have made apple and tell the children to recognize what is this. This is an apple. Apple starts with which sound? A. Apple. A. And A is the sound of which letter? A is the sound of letter A. Then bat. Bat. Bat starts with sound B. And by the sound of which letter? By the sound of letter E. So this I have teach in the class. So maybe you'll get all these things all together. Thank you very much.